Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through a super useful Power BI workflow, how to create a brand new table from an existing table. If you've ever wanted to slice, tweak, or build on your current data without disturbing your original source, this technique is a must-know. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only the how, but also the why behind choosing between duplication and referencing, so you can manage your data with confidence and flexibility. So let's jump right in. First off, I'm starting with a data model that already has at least one table loaded. If you have your data imported, you're ready to go. Head up to the ribbon and click on Transform Data. This will open the Power Query Editor, which is kind of like Power BI's backstage area, where you can get hands-on with your data and shape it however you want. If you've never used this section before, don't worry. It's actually quite friendly once you get used to the layout. Now, from the Queries pane on the left, select the table you'd like to build from. This could be your sales data, employee list, or any dataset you're working with. Take a moment to make sure you've picked the right table, because everything we do from here out will be based on this data. With your table selected, right-click on it. You'll see a couple of important options pop up: duplicate and reference. These two might sound similar, but they act in very different ways, and understanding the difference is truly powerful. If you choose duplicate, Power BI creates an entirely new table, a standalone copy of your data at this point in time. Imagine you're photocopying a page. You now have two separate pieces of paper, and anything you write on one doesn't affect the other. This is perfect if you want to experiment, filter out some rows, or restructure columns without ever touching the original. It's a great way to protect your starting point while branching off into something new. On the other hand, reference is more like creating a shortcut. When you select Reference, Power BI builds a new table that depends on the original, almost like a live window looking into your existing data. If you change something in your main table, say you correct a spelling mistake or add a new row, your reference table updates instantly to reflect those changes. This is really powerful for dynamic reporting, where you want subsets or specialized views that always track with your source data. To really see the difference, click on the Advanced Editor for each one. With the duplicated table, you'll see that the code is a full copy of your original content, nothing more, nothing less. But in the Reference Table's Advanced Editor, you'll notice it simply refers back to the original table, so any changes upstream flow through automatically. Pausing here for a moment, if you're taking notes, this is the distinction to remember for managing your tables over time. Let's keep going. Select your duplicated table and let's give it a fresh name. Just double-click, type whatever fits your workflow, like sales copy or filtered employees, because clear naming will help keep you organized as your data model grows. From here, you can customize your new table just the way you want. Filter columns, remove unnecessary data, add calculations, pivot, or even shape it to fit a whole new purpose. This is a safe playground for trying out ideas, especially if you want to share insights with colleagues or build visualizations that require a different view of your data. And there you have it, a practical walkthrough for creating a new table from an existing table in Power BI, plus an essential understanding of the difference between duplicating and referencing. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Let me know any questions down in the comments. I'd love to hear about your specific Power BI challenges. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.